This don't even need to be here. It don't. No, let's cut this up. You know what I'm saying? Let's just vibe. You know, I don't know if we're gonna have some lo-fi, but how about I just focus on cooking for a second and just actually show y'all what I'm making? Cause I'm hungry. I ain't planning for all this. It's kind of harder than I thought, but you know what I'm saying? If this turns out to be something immaculate, could we please smash that like button and get at least 100, or give me the 1K subs? Back to the cooking though. Hey man, cue the music too. Yeah, like.
Ha, we just back with another like one. I just hit it like bomb.com. She just do it like homie, like son, call it Dawn. Yeah, my last name, yeah, if it Dawn. Yeah, I'll pull up too fast with the gun, with the funds, I'm just talking like money. Ha, we just back with another like one. I just hit it like.
I don't even know, man. Let's just get straight into the video. No, I even forgot my apron, man. All right. You know, I think I'll just go through every single ingredient that we're gonna use because I'm just gonna start cooking as I go, and I hope you're watching or leaving a like, a comment, a subscribe if you guys want to see some more, I don't know, Tastebud adventures on Eni Entertainment. I don't know what I'm gonna call this yet, but this is a spicy garlic ramen chicken beret of a whole bunch of foods that's gonna hit the spot. But on a serious note, back to the ingredients. So I'm not really gonna go about how the process. I mean, first of all, we're gonna cut up all our vegetables. Simple. We're gonna, make sure that the chicken that I plan to saute and just season a little bit for the main protein of this course meal. Yeah, gonna add a couple veggies, a couple garlic, some onion seasoning, and my omelet sunny side. Simple as simple. So if at any point you guys get lost up in this video, or you just wanted to follow some instructions for yourself, just run it back and enjoy. Hopefully this is kind of simple enough because I'm gonna start. I think my intro's way too long now. Anyways, let's go. Okay, so right now basically we're just gonna rinse our vegetables. Basically, just to start this off, we are just gonna use half of an onion, right, that we got for today. Some green onions. We're also gonna add 2 ghost peppers. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but we're gonna add some 2 ghost peppers, some spicy caliente. This not that stuff that they give you at McDonald's. You feel me? That's the light version. This is the African side, but you know what I'm saying? My Asians know what we're talking about. Anyways, we got 1 omelet and a bell pepper that I think I'm gonna add to it as well. So I don't know if I'm gonna time lapse this to kind of speed up the process, but we're gonna get back to you guys once we peeled off the onion. For starters, you don't want to cut the root of any onion just straight off like that. You want to cut it in half and kind of peel it off, because sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you'll know now when that thing is in your eye and on your genitalia. You feel me? It's painful. I'm only gonna be using, since I'm making just 1 portion of onion ramen for myself, I'm not gonna be needing that much, right? So probably about 3/4 of the onion should be okay for this video, right? And for this, red pepper chili, hot stepper. I don't know what I'm saying at this point, but we just talk to ourselves when we cook. So for this part, damn, that thing leaking, but it's still edible. It was definitely frozen before, that's why it's a little droopy, but it's okay. I'm only gonna need a little bit of that, just a little bit more if I can grab some. So I'm gonna get straight into it. We got our bell peppers here, we got our knives right there, and I think I'm gonna just start off with the onions first of all. So So yeah, it's kind of making my eyes water a little bit. I'm not crying, my eye is. But yeah, usually you want to cut away from you anyways, so. Some spinach leaves. Don't even need too much. Don't even need too much, just a little bit. And some garlic. And I think this is about it. Biscuit. You know what I'm saying? Just start cutting it off in half like that and just peeling it off. Simple as simple. Cut off the roll. We've already added some, some garlic, some black chili pepper, some hot chili pepper. I'm about to add some more Chipotle Southwest before we put this on the grill. And some crushed chili peppers as well, just for that little heat, that spice. Now, yeah, let's add a couple more things. Chicken, seasoning. And some breadcrumbs, and I think that is literally all we need. That is literally all we need. So we're gonna cook this with coconut oil and let it just simmer for a little bit. About to get over to the next side. Y'all come with me. Jesus Christ.
Shoot this video at this time of the day, but hey, we got it done. And honestly, I'm not even sure what camera to look at, but at this point, you know, if you guys learn anything new, or you want to try this out for your family, friends, or your girl, or even just your bros, or anybody special, just, you know, run back the video and show love. And yeah, I don't know how to close this. I'm gonna hit to sleep, but yeah. Do a little taste test if you don't mind, if I must. It's bussin'. I'm sorry, like, I just wish you guys could take a bite through the screen, but subscribe. We're done. Yes, we are back with another like one. For today's hey man, Tim, I'm shooting my intro. Shooting my intro. Can't run this back.